Ladies and gentlemen, today we have hit the Newmar King Aire jackpot. Not only have we found 4 brand new 2023 Newmar King Aires, but we found a brand new King Aire floor plan that is, in my opinion, the nicest Newmar King Aire ever built. The Newmar King Aire is on the Spartan K3 chassis. It's got a 20,000 pound towing capacity, 605 horsepower, collision mitigation, adaptive cruise. Today we're hanging out at Transwest in Belton, Missouri with our good friend Lance Ortega. Lance, how you doing, sir?
I'm doing great, Andrew. Welcome aboard this beautiful King Aire. I'm glad you could drop by.
Always a pleasure. I think this is the nicest King Aire ever built. Do you think that's safe to say?
Hands down, in my personal opinion, bar none, the best floor plan I've ever seen. I absolutely love what you guys are about to see.
You guys are definitely in for a treat today. Now, we have done a couple other King Aire videos that have gotten around a couple 100,000 views where Lance turned over every stone. We went really in depth. Today we're just going to take you on a quick tour, but I will leave those videos in the description below if you want to see some more in-depth tours of the 22 King Aires. Yep. Let's come back up to the cockpit area real quick. Yeah. I've got to point out the stitching on this front door here, and it is windy out there. We didn't show the outsides, but beautiful detail work that matches the stitching on the seats. What's all going on, sir?
There's so much to go over with this coach. I'm just going to hit real quick about the safety. So you're going to have adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation. You're on the Spartan K3 chassis, which is a 50% thicker frame than the competition. What I absolutely love about this particular coach, other than the beautiful view, the big bonded windows, is what we going on midship.
Absolutely. Before we go through this, coach, I got to ask you, what is the MSRP on this coach?
So we're sitting about $1,675,000.
Almost 1.7 million. I think the most expensive Newmar coach I've ever been in, but it's definitely the nicest. So I said we show the folks around a little bit here. Really a brand new floor plan for 2023?
Yeah, so this is a brand new 4569 floor plan. What I like too is a difference in the decor. So this is the Duxbury decor. I actually like the color that they did with this furniture. Man, they hit it out of the ballpark. We were just in the Essex earlier, and it had the power reclining seats, and it had the seat warmer, but it did not have massage recliner. This is what you're going to get with the King Aire.
The color palettes in here too. I know a lot of people are going with the whites and grays, but these are a little warmer tones, more earth tones.
Yeah.
It's just a phenomenal design in this. What's the design in this coach?
So this is going to have the Duxbury decor, Modesto, Rift Oak, hard, and it's going to have the suede finish.
Just beautiful cabinets here, and I want to show everybody just that tone of the wood and how it flows when we go back into the bedroom, and then you can see this does not look like a motorhome at all. Now, this is a $1.7 million coach, but there's one thing that I think it could use as an upgrade. This bed is pretty nice, but not quite as nice as the Brooklyn bedding mattress that I use at home. Whether you own an RV or not, I definitely recommend going to rvmattress.com/AndrewSteele and using the coupon code AndrewSteele to get a 25% off your Brooklyn bedding mattress. Now, Brooklyn bedding mattresses are known for their high quality. They have a 120-night sleep trial, a 10-year warranty. They have free shipping anywhere in the continental United States, and they're made in my home state of Arizona. Now, Brooklyn bedding offers different styles of mattresses and different firmnesses. I personally use the Firm Aurora and have been extremely happy with it. And another huge advantage to Brooklyn bedding mattresses for RVers is they come in all different sizes. So whether you have a bunk coach or different size mattresses and different size motorhomes, they have all different sizes to fit your motor coach, and they'll ship it directly to you in a nice box, and then you can kind of unfold it very easily, much easier than going to a mattress store and trying to tie a mattress down on the bed of your truck or roof of your car. So when you're in the market for a mattress next time, make sure to check out rvmattress.com/AndrewSteele and use that 25% off discount code. I'll make sure to leave that in the description below, but let's keep checking out this sweet King Aire because there's a lot to see in this coach. So Lance, bath and a half coach. I mean, this does not feel like a motorhome at all. What else are we seeing in this coach?
So along with all the safety features, the taller ceilings, taller cargo bay doors on the outside now as well. You're going to also have a tilt function, so it'll tilt the King Aire if you want to dump your waste tanks. You've got push button controls for your cargo doors. but you've got a 22 cubic foot Viking refrigerator, all super high-end appliances. And then across from here, we've got a beautiful Wolf. I've never seen this in an RV.
Yeah,
right?
this is totally different.
This is your coffee maker. This thing is so nice. Got a nice glassware cabinet just above.
Yeah, this is all high end. The way those glasses will fit into place. Does it come with stemware?
No, it does not.
Okay,
it does not come with stemware.
But a cool little kind of bar station over here, and we haven't even scratched the surface to what's behind me here that we're going to show everyone in a second. But Sub-Zero wine cooler.
Sub-Zero appliances in an RV is unheard of. Right? I don't think I've ever even seen it.
You usually get in the $2 million and up range to see that kind of stuff.
To see that kind of hardware. Nice beverage center, right? Great place for the grandkids to come, or yourself, for your wine, your pop, your sodas, whatever, bottled water controlled right there. Very, very nice functionality.
Yeah, super clean.
And then just above, we do have a nice little storage door too that lights up. I just love this accent lighting here.
Yeah, and they even put the King Air logo there inside the drawers. I don't know if we talked about the ceiling treatment here too, but this was new in 21, I believe, when they started doing this style of ceilings.
That's correct. And what I liked about what they did with the ceiling treatment is they took the cabinet material, the Modesto ripped oak, and they put it in behind the grate. It just has such a nice continuity, nice flow about it.
Yeah, it
they
really
still
does.
have your ostrich skin ceilings, and they did actually go with the cabinets above, because some of our previous customers actually complained. Still got the big, beautiful view, but guess what? We decided not to eliminate the storage either.
This slide room is a little bit taller, and I did like having those cabinets removed, but having that extra storage, and this is pretty deep storage as well. And I love that straight line lighting here on the slide room, and then also that same texture on the slide faces as well. So much detail in this coach, and then the recliners that we've talked about in other videos. But this coach has something that I don't think we've ever seen before. You think we could show the folks?
Sure can. So along with this nice addition that we just saw, just across from it, they actually have a walk-in pantry. I've never ever seen this before in RV. These cabinet doors, they open up and they actually slide right in to kind of give you a little bit more space. And you do have that chevron style marble that they have here for a backsplash. Absolutely gorgeous. Some nice overhead cabinets.
Nice little storage room.
You got some more up here as well. You can get a crock pot down here.
Big deep storage and finished out in that same, did you call it Rift Oak, or what was the name of that wood?
It's the Modesto Rift Oak.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Lots of storage, and I love the lighting, and those beautiful floors continue into your pantry there. What a cool floor plan, especially for the chefs out there.
Yes. What I like about this, I mean, you've got some nice deep storage down here, space to store all the nice extra items that you got. But if you have a party, maybe you want to celebrate a grandkid's birthday, what a great place. You got like a little buffet center in here that you can have all the kids come in, get their cake, get their goods, whatever, right? So lots of fun, neat ideas that you can work with this half pantry, this walk-in pantry. Pretty neat.
Absolutely. Across from the pantry here.
So this is where we're going to have our first bathroom. It's at the half bath.
Same high-end finishes. I love that backlit mirror and that same wood on the vent cover and on that door with a little inlay with these little stainless strips.
Andrew likes to say this is where the paying customer gets to stay, right?
Exactly. Yes, sir.
Got your king bed, and then you've got your vertical sconces here. They followed up with this quartz right up the sidewall here, this trim.
Stunning textures, and the cameras just do not do justice. You also have wireless charging on both sides of the bed, and those huge blinds with those bonded windows give you a beautiful view when we open those up. But I like how it looks closed. It's just, this does not feel anything like a motorhome at all.
No, not at all. You've got some beautiful drawers here, some extra cabinet space. Now these lights, they are going to be on a motion detection, so if you wake up in the middle of the night, no need to find a switch. It'll automatically, if you set it that way, just like you're walking through a grocery store and those aisles light up as you get there, this coach will do the same thing.
Now again, that straight line lighting, I love all of the lighting, and then the lighting on the slide face, but that rear bathroom behind you is just glowing back there.
Before we go back there, can I just show you one thing?
Yes, please.
So the Silver Leaf, they actually, for 2023, I love what they've done. They've got a much nicer bigger monitor display. And so looking at the pictures of the different things that's going on up there, just a much bigger display.
Yeah,
and I think it just turned out beautiful.
You can control your floor heat. You've got your different coach modes. If you're active camping or outdoor unplugged, outdoor plugged in, they've got all of the different settings to manage your batteries. Then you also have your different cameras. If you hear something in the middle of the night and want to look around the coach, you've got different views. You can even look inside the coach.
Actually did a nice upgrade as far as the layout.
Oh,
so
yeah.
They just did some really nice features as far as trying to figure out where a light is. Just gives you the bird's eye view of the coach. So just some nice updated features in the software.
Absolutely. And again, if you want to see more in-depth, a super complete tour, that's in the description below. Over an hour-long video where Lance goes in-depth on a 22 King Air. But
I could go longer, but there's not enough memory in this.
No, and I really want to see this rear bathroom because it is just jumping out at me. Now, real quick, I've got to point out the barn-style door.
Yes.
I love seeing that, and this is just such a classy style. You call it, what's it called again?
Modesto Rift Oak.
Modesto Rift
Oak. With
Oak.
a suede finish.
I'm a fan of the Modesto Rift Oak with the suede finish.
Feel how heavy this door is, Andrew. This thing is solid.
Yeah, that's a lot heavier than I thought. And then I want to point out the large mirrors here when you close that door. That's super solid. Now, when we go into the bathroom here, beautiful tile floors, but you got more headroom too.
The King Air, as far as I know, is the first coach to actually come out with a marble floor and on this level, and that's what we saw earlier in the walk-in pantry. You got an absolutely amazing shower. That shower head, I mean, that thing is probably the biggest shower head that I've seen in a motorhome. It's pretty big.
Yeah, that is huge. Beautiful tile work and shampoo and body wash dispensers. You've got that teak seat, and then I love how they're doing these drains. Now, do you want to give us the shower test, Lance?
Yeah, absolutely.
I believe that's an option to get that little grab handle there in the shower, too.
Yeah, this is a very important feature to have in the shower. So, nice big overhead shower. I love this. I mean, that's about as big as the one I have at home already. This thing's huge. But you've got your teak seat in here. And I'm going to go ahead and close the door, Andrew.
Yes, sir.
And I'll do the little spin here. So plenty of room, a lot of space. For all you tall folks out there, with this cathedral style ceiling, even if you're really tall, it really makes it nice for standing in the shower.
Yeah, absolutely. And then across from the shower there, washer and dryer back there. I like the full length mirror when you close the door too. So when you're getting ready here and you close off that rear bathroom, that's nice to have.
Yeah, getting ready to go out for the evening, it's just nice to be able to get ready. But you've got this nice Whirlpool refrigerator. They actually used to come with Bosch. They actually found out the Whirlpool does a better job of washing and drying, so we switched back to the Whirlpool.
Nice, nice. Now, you did say Whirlpool refrigerator. We'll give you a pass on that. It is a washer and dryer, but that's all right. I say that all the time. So. Yeah, all good.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, you've been showing a lot of motorhomes today, but now this is really cool. You've got the emergency egress door here.
Yep.
But check out this lighting and this box cover around that window, and even the window on the egress door. Just a great
looking. You got
looking.
that mirror finish stainless all the way around there.
So high end.
And you've got a nice little addition right here. Nice closet with removable shelving down here. If you got those taller items like dresses, you can fit them in there. And then the hanging rack actually has a light built into the bar.
Yeah, I really like that. You can see your clothes a little bit better. More lighting, that backlit mirror.
And then you see how they curve that trim?
Yes, sir.
I mean that, and there's no seam, so they actually bent that wood to fit the curvature of that ceiling.
And I don't know if the camera catches this texture on the ceiling, but a really cool ceiling texture. And then is this like a trough style sink?
A beautifully hammered sink. It's the Jack and Jill setup, so plenty of room for the guests staying here in this beautiful coach.
Yeah, absolutely. We have these little, this is for the winterization of the unit there in case any of that drips out to keep everything in pristine condition.
Plenty of storage. You've got some nice overhead medicine cabinet storage here. And these doors, I mean, they are solid. I mean, these things are heavy duty. Look at the thickness of that oak. It's just...
That Newmar craftsmanship is no joke.
When you know the difference.
Yes, sir.
It's definitely a slogan to live by.
Yes, sir.
But really nice closet here as well.
Again, that downlit hanging bar.
And I like how they did all the electronics too. Everything has a place for it. It's very neat, very organized, very nicely done.
Absolutely.
All this extra storage here, all soft closing drawers.
So Lance, you've got 4 brand new King Airs here. This one is my favorite in my personal opinion, with this exterior color combination, with the whites, and really a great looking coach. But if someone's a serious and qualified buyer and they want to purchase this coach or one of the other King Airs you have here, or one of the other several other motorhomes you have here, who can they get a hold of?
Well, guys, I'd be honored to help you. You can reach me on my personal cell phone number, which is 208-290-5750. Just give me a call. I've got some really nice stuff. I've got a couple of Essexes. I've got a beautiful Mountain Air bunkhouse that we just got in 2022. Yeah, give me a jingle. I'd love to help you.
Awesome, Lance. Greatly appreciate you and the team at Transwest. Also greatly appreciate all of you out there on YouTube subscribing to the channel and liking these videos. I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.
Andrew, I can't thank you enough. I appreciate you dropping by today, and I look forward to helping you folks out there in YouTube.